Coming to various types of reports in accounting information system. The first type of report is summary reports. As the name suggests, this type of reports, they summarize the activities of an organization over a particular period and present them for perusal of the management or for internal and external users. A very good example of summary reports is profit and loss account and the balance sheet, that is income statement and position statement. Income statement summarizes the activities of an organization or the result of the activities of an organization over a particular accounting period, and the balance sheet gives us the financial position of an organization as on a particular date. Remember, they are not prepared on day-to-day basis. They merely present the summary of the year or for the accounting period for which they have been prepared. Then we have demand reports. As the name suggests again, they are not prepared on day-to-day basis. They are prepared only when the management actually demands them. They are kind of specialized reports. Like for example, manager wants to make sure why the level of bad debts is very high. So he may ask for a report on bad debts of previous 3 months or 4 months. It is a specific report. It is not generated on regular basis. So it is categorized as a demand report. Then we have customer and supplier reports. Again students, it is a kind of specialized reports. But these reports generally relate to the information regarding customers and suppliers. They might be in the form of overdue payments. They might be in the form of simple account statements of a particular supplier or a particular creditor. Then we have exceptional reports. Exception reports are those reports which are specialized in nature and are demanded by management only for exceptional purposes. Something like a manager or a factory manager wants to assess the status of his stock. So that would be stock query report. He wants to assess which department has ordered stock way above its requirements. So he may order for stock status query. So this query will give him a clear reflection that a particular department is using X number of units in a month, whereas it has ordered way beyond its capacity. So this kind of information comes under exceptional report. Then students, lastly we have responsibility reports. Remember, management information system creates and assigns certain centers as responsibility centers. Their reports are submitted to their heads. Like for example, cash, right? Cash is a very important asset for the business. We all know. Cash flows form the backbone of any company's business. So what these reports would do is, like for example a cash flow statement, it shows inflow and outflow of cash. This information or the projected cash flow statement should be submitted to the finance manager of the company so that he is able to provide for sufficient amount of cash in case there is a shortfall, and in case there is a surplus, then he can make sure that that surplus is invested properly so as to generate higher returns. So these are responsibility reports. Since the management of cash is the responsibility of the manager, that is the finance manager. So this report is generated on his request and is submitted to him only.